A car allowance is a monthly, flat-rate amount given to employees who use their personal vehicle for work. Employees love receiving car allowances as a perk. They help them pay for gas, insurance, depreciation, and more. They're extra income on a paycheck. But every traditional car allowance is taxable. Employees never walk away with the full amount on paper as it's subject to income tax. Suddenly, $800 turns into $500 in the blink of an eye. The best car allowances are tax-free ones. But how do they work? The IRS allows companies to pay car allowances tax-free, but many companies don't know this. In order to take the tax off, you need solid records proving that driving expenses are legitimate business expenses. Enter Cardata. Cardata is a fully managed vehicle reimbursement partner that captures all of the information the IRS needs to justify business driving. Things like trip duration, location, and the business purpose of the trip are all captured by Cardata's software. When companies use Cardata, they can offer employees a reimbursement that is tax-free and saves an average of 30% compared to their taxed peers. There are different types of car allowance programs, including favor car allowances, which have a fixed monthly flat rate plus a variable per mile rate. Moving from a car allowance to a vehicle reimbursement provider is a no-brainer. Find out how you can get started at cardata.co.